Hey loves, it's Belinda Selene and welcome back to my channel. As requested by you guys, I will be doing my daily makeup routine, which takes me less than 10 minutes to do. It's so easy and fast, and a lot of these products are drugstore brand and some of them are a little bit high-end, but they're really good products. So let's get started. Let's begin with a moisturizer, and the one that I'm going to be using is the Origins Clear Improvement Pore Clearing Moisturizer with Bamboo Charcoal, and I'm so excited about this product. I've been trying it for the past few days and I really love it, and I've seen a difference because this actually helps combat breakouts and helps prevent new ones. So if you guys have blemishes or blackheads, this is going to help out with that. And the great thing about adding it before makeup on is that you don't have to worry about not adding makeup or adding any concealer or foundation because you're afraid that that breakout is going to spread or that you're clogging your pores with more things that's going to make it worse. So I really do like this product, and I'm super excited to partner with them in today's video to talk about how it's been working for me. So I really do enjoy it. I have so many of Origins products, and whenever they come out with anything new, I'm super eager to try them out. It's just a really good trusted brand that I love so much. I actually have a couple of their products here on my vanity. If you guys didn't know, I actually have acne prone skin and I have rosacea, and I have to constantly make sure that my skin is moisturized and that it's clean and that I'm following all of the steps that I need to follow in my skincare routine so that it stays clear. And so this is helping with that. So I'm just going to grab some with my finger, and I'm going to concentrate this on my nose right here because I feel like that's where it's mostly dry, and around my mouth. And then I'll spread it out throughout my face. And it just feels so smooth. Oh my gosh, I love how it feels. So definitely check it out. I will have more information and where you can purchase this in the description box below. I'll have a link for you guys to click on, so make sure to check them out. If you guys also have any trouble with like blemishes or breakouts and you want to make sure that you apply something underneath your skin so it's actively fighting it throughout the day, highly recommend it. You can put it on in the morning and at night if you like to, so that way at night it's also working with your skin. And another product that I do recommend from Origins is the one that goes along with this one, and this is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear your pores. So this is going to give you a little bit of a boost in between you putting this on. Now that we have a moisturized face, I'm going to be using this concealer. It is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I love this thing. I am in the shade medium, and I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes. I feel like I look so tired throughout the day if I don't put some kind of concealer on. So I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes, and then I'm also going to bring it down the bridge of my nose. It's going to give me a little bit of a contour, and I have really pigmented skin on top of my lip, or right here. Then I'm going to take a makeup sponge and I'm going to just blend it in, and this instantly just makes it look so much brighter. I love how this looks. And also underneath. When I was at my lash extension appointment, the girl's like, "Oh my goodness, you look so tired." I'm like, I know I do. I know I look tired and I'm not. And it's just because I just have those bags underneath my eyes. I just have really dark circles. I need to set this in because otherwise, since I do have oily to combination skin underneath my eyes, it will start to crease. So I want to make sure that that's covered and set in with some powder. And I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Loose Powder Foundation. And oh my goodness, I love this thing so much. It also has SPF 16, which is great. We got to take care of our skin and protect it. So anything that has SPF in it, I love. And I am in the shade Sand Beige. So it is loose powder. I always make sure to bring some kind of tissue and put it on my vanity because it goes everywhere. And so I'm just going to grab some and then put it on the cap. And then I'll take my brush. Let me just find it. Where's my brush at? Okay, I'm just going to take my brush and then I'm going to like make sure that I don't pick up too much. So sometimes when you put this on the cap, it could be a little bit too much, so I'll start right here on the bottom and work my way up, because that way it'll be darker on the bottom than like in the center of my face where I want it to be brighter. So I'll go ahead and start it like this, and this gives you so much coverage. I love this. So without picking up any more makeup, I'm just going to put the remaining of it underneath my eyes to set in that concealer. And ooh girl, yes, look at that, look at that. It just looks so nice. And as you can tell, my face is a lot lighter than my neck. I don't know why, maybe because I wear hats a lot to protect my face from the sun, but this like evens out my skin tone to my neck, so I like this a lot too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it in, work it in, grab a little bit more, and then just like buff it in. And I love this stuff so much. Yeah, there we go. You can build this up to give you more coverage if you like, with more layers. I like to do around 1 or 2, but I just make sure that I buff it in really well and blend it out because you don't want any spots. And I'll make sure to put it on my eyes as well and blend in with my eyebrows because I want it to look even, and then bring it down to my neck. Alright, let's work on our eyebrows next, and this is from L'Oreal. It is the Unbelievable Brow. If you feel like your makeup melts in the sun, get this bad boy, because I feel like it is waterproof and it's just really going to stay on even if you're in the pool. I brought this with me when I went to Naples, Florida, and my eyebrows stayed on even when I was at the beach. It just looked really good and I loved it. So I'm just going to grab a little bit on my brush and then fill in my eyebrows. And I'll just do the shape of my eyebrows and go around it. Super simple. As you could tell, it takes like no time at all. Yes. Be super fast and simple. Now that we have our eyebrows on, I'm going to switch to bronzer, and I love this bronzer. It is the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and it is in the shade Caramel Cutie. Do you guys say caramel or do you guys say caramel? I say caramel. I don't know why I don't say caramel. I don't know what the proper way of saying it is, but what do you guys say, caramel or caramel? I'm going to grab a little bit of this, and I think I got the travel size one. It's super cute and small. I love the packaging of the Fenty Beauty products, but this one, it has such a creamy consistency that it's so easy to blend. So I'm just going to grab an angled brush and I'm going to apply this as I'm contouring. And I feel like because of this shade, and it gives you like this beautiful glow, you can contour, and at the same time it acts like as a bronzer, and you don't have to put on any blush. It's just so natural and super pretty. So I'm kind of working fast with it. I feel like it looks rough on camera. Does anybody tell you that? Like, is that why people call it beating your face? Because whenever you put on certain products, you're just like being rough with it. But I promise I'm being gentle. It just doesn't look like it. And then I'll pinch my fingers to make this a lot skinnier, and I will add it to my nose to contour in the same way. Makes things a lot easier. And then you put some on the bottom of your neck too to contour your neck, and you're done with that step. Super easy. To add dimension to my eyes, I'm going to be applying an eyeshadow, and I go for something that's super neutral and easy to blend in. So I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Santa Fe palette, and this just has a bunch of different beautiful brown shades. So I'm just going to grab this one right here. It's called Clay, and just put it quickly on top of my eyes and just blend it out super fast. There we go. And then the next eye. And I feel like my eyeshadow is not complete and it looks uneven if I don't put anything underneath. So I'm just going to grab a slightly darker shade. And this one is called Canyon. And I'm just going to put it underneath. And I feel like this looks a lot more natural and simple than a black eyeliner pencil. And it looks so pretty. I love how it looks. I'm going to grab a little bit of mascara and just apply it on the bottom since I do have eyelash extensions. If you guys don't have eyelash extensions, you could just add a little bit of mascara and it'll look really, really nice. You can add eyeliner if you like. I'm going to be grabbing this itty bitty baby eyeliner from Fenty Beauty. It's so cute, but it is the felt tip liner. Those are my favorite. And I'm just going to draw a wing here at the end. I'm not going to line my entire eye, I just wanted a little bit of a wing. To finish it off, I'm going to be using a matte lipstick. This is the Raw Chocolate Matte Lipstick by Maybelline, and it is like my favorite shade. It looks so pretty and just like so natural, and it looks bold, but like not too much. And that's it. And we are done. I quickly went ahead and I put up my hair because it was looking a little bit crazy. I will make sure to have links down in the description box below of all the products that I used in this video, including the Origins Clear Improvement Moisturizer. I do love this. I trust Origins and I just love this brand, so highly do recommend it. I'll make sure to have links down to everything down in the description box below. And that is all for today's video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.